In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from HubSpot to Excel. Whether you want to work offline or analyze your data in different software, exporting your data can make these tasks much easier. Let's dive in. First, it's important to note that HubSpot allows you to export various types of data that are visible on your screen. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on exporting contacts, as this is a common task for many users managing their customer relationships. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here you'll find a section called CRM. Click on that and then select Contacts. This will take you to the list of all your contacts, which is the data we'll be focusing on for this export process. Before you proceed, make sure that none of the checkboxes next to the contacts are selected. If any checkboxes are selected, you won't be able to see the export button. It's a small but crucial step, so take a moment to ensure everything's ready to go. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the contact list. You'll see the export button there. Click on it to initiate the export process. This will open up a new menu where you can edit the export details to suit your needs. Now, you'll have the option to choose the file format for your export. Since Excel is the go-to format for handling data in spreadsheet form, you'll want to select XLS here. This format is widely compatible and can be opened by most spreadsheet applications if needed. With your file format set, you're ready for the next step. Simply click Export and the process will begin. Depending on the amount of data, this might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the export is complete, you'll see a pop-up in HubSpot giving you the option to download your exported file immediately. However, if you miss this pop-up, don't worry. HubSpot sends an email with a download link to the address associated with your account. Alternatively, you can also access the file through the Import and Export section in HubSpot settings. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contacts from HubSpot to an Excel file. This gives you the flexibility to manipulate, analyze, or simply store your contact data offline for future use. Remember, the same principles apply if you want to export other types of data from HubSpot. Just make sure to adjust your settings accordingly, and you'll be set. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and be sure to check back soon for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of HubSpot and other essential business tools.